Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Coto de Caza, local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring the ideal cheap Coto de Caza moving company doesn't need to be so complicated. Hiring 3 Movers guarantees you get the long-distance or local moving services you need. We provide the proper services for any style of move, whether commercial or residential. Our crew works with veterans, students, property owners, business owners, renters, and anyone else seeking to move. If you're prepared to move into a dorm room, a new house, or even a new enterprise location, we can definitely help you. We ensure your long-distance move occurs on schedule without stress. We help you with your move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 2,000 miles. By having the right moving services to assist you, any move, big or small, becomes a lot easier. Working with us guarantees you get access to all the standard long-distance moving services and all the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a local California moving company may not seem like it's worth the expense. However, following a close look at the main benefits of working with a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. A good moving company will help you preserve time regardless of how far you're going. Movers may also make sure you don't need to worry about injury because you won't have to do any of the heavy lifting. When you work with our movers, you get experts ready to make your local move very simple. When moving with a local company such as 3 Movers, you obtain a structured strategy for moving day. We can complete even the biggest moves in just a couple of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Coto de Caza moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.